Welcome back, guys, to Riker Gaming. Today we are going to play some Car Crash Drive. So let's go on the train map. This is my favorite map. I love to play on it every time. We're just going to go ahead and get my school bus out. Dang, semi, chill. Okay, my bus is already broken because of the stupid. Anyway, let's go. Okay, semi truck, I'm letting you go first. Okay, thank you, actually. Thank you. Dang. Okay, here comes the train. Woo-hoo! Dang. Now that's a lot of damage. We're just gonna go ahead and get on up here so we can get a better view of the train. The train comes in from that way. So we're gonna watch the train coming in from that way. And then we're gonna watch, when the train comes over here, we're gonna watch it hit by us. Okay, here comes the train. Come on, train. Yep. Okay, the train respawned because it wasn't going that fast. Come on, train. Yeah, hit it. Woohoo! Look at all that damage. Okay, I'm gonna get down. Oh, guys, this is a lot of damage. I mean, dang. Oh my gosh. Like, look at all this. The seats are everywhere. The things are everywhere. This lamppost almost got hit by the train because of all the pieces that got flung in there. And there goes the train. Anyways, if you enjoyed my videos, remember to like and subscribe. Oh! Dang it, car! Stop it! I didn't even spawn anything. Why is it saying cool down? Why? Okay. Let's spawn this little sports car. After this, I'm probably done for today because I don't want to get hit by the train, okay? And I bet you guys can't blame me for that. Okay, where's the train? Is the train glitched or something? Oh, there it is. It's just down there on the other tracks. Okay, here comes. Oh, there's the engine exploded. Like, right when the train just touched that thing. The engine exploded. Well, anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in another video. So, bye, guys.